Welcome back. Talegaon Panchayat poll registered 76.40% of voting on Sunday. 45 candidates are in fray in 11 wards. Election results will be out on Monday 28th at SAG Panji. Panels supported by Babush Montserrat, Datta Prasad Naik and Agnel Silvera are contesting the polls. It's a prestige poll for neighbouring MLAs Manohar Parrikar and Babush Montserrat. All eyes are now set to see whether Babush will make it yet again or the BJP will snatch this panchayat from Montserrat's.
Voting commenced at 8 in the morning and continued till 5 p.m. in the evening. Voting was conducted at 26 polling stations in Talegaon. For 11 wards of Talegaon, total 45 candidates are in fray. Total voters in Talegaon are 16,055. This election was also a rare moment to see many people with 2 ink marks on their fingers. On 12th April, people of Talegaon had first voted for Lok Sabha polls, and now on 27th April, they voted for their Panch members. This time election in Talegaon looks tough for BJP as there are 2 panels of BJP supporters. One panel is of Talegaon BJP President Datta Prasad Naik and second is of BJP's former Talegaon Assembly candidate Agnel Silvera. Agnel Silvera has got the support of former CCP Mayor Ashok Naik. Third panel is of former Talegaon MLA and current Santa Cruz MLA Babush Montserrat. On Sunday morning, Babush Montserrat was seen casting his vote at the polling station. Babush's wife and Talegaon MLA Jennifer Montserrat also came for voting along with her both the sons. All the 3 panels have expressed confidence of winning the panchayat.
And all our Karyakartas have worked hard for these elections. I'm sure ताजे आमकां fruits मेळटली. लोकांकूय चेंजूच जाय. फाटलीं 10 वर्सां जशें पंचायतीचे जे अफेर्स चलिल्ले कोणाकूच तें एक्सेप्टेड नाशिल्लें. So definitely we are expecting a good result.
ताळगांवच्या ह्या पंचायत इलेक्शन आमचें एकूच अशें पॅनल आसलेलें की जाणी पयशांचो वापर करनासतना ही निवडणूक लढयल्ली आसा. बाकीच्यांनी सगळ्यांक खबर आसा बाकीच्यांनी कितें केल्लें आसा तें. एका वटेन power asle dusra wade money asle.
The losers always count a percentage, the winners count the seats. I've got nothing to say about them. Results will be in front of us tomorrow morning. So and that is a time who has won and who has lost we will come to know. There's nothing to discuss about it today.
Panchayat election results will be out by Monday afternoon. Counting will take place at SAG office at Kampal. Meanwhile, by-election was also held for ward number 5 of Murmagaon Municipal Council. 72.56% turnout was recorded. Ward number 5 councillor was disqualified and so fresh polling was conducted. Bureau report Prudent.
World Astronomy Day was celebrated on Sunday. The Public Astronomical Observatory Panji had organized a special program, Solar System Walk for school students along the Miramar beach. This was first of its kind in Goa.
आज हांगा आमी मिरामार बीचार आयल्यार स्केल ऑफ द सोलार सिस्टम शिकपाक ही सगळी विंगड स्कुलाची भुरगीं आसात फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर पेंजीम एंड अराउंड पेंजीम आनी एक एक्टिविटी आमी इंटरेस्टिंग करतात. आमी सद्दां सोलार सिस्टम आमच्या बुकान पळयतात, टेक्स्ट बुकान. तेन्ना सूर्य एक आसता आनी ताज्या कुशीक 8 प्लॅनेट असतात. आमकां ती ल्हान अशी दिसता पूण केदें व्हडली आसता सोलार सिस्टम ही भुरग्यांक कल्पना सुद्दां नासतात. सो आमी एक नॅनो स्केल क्रिएट केल्या, म्हणजे सन केदो व्हडलो आसा तो आमी खूब पटींनी रिड्यूस केला. फक्त 30 इंचेसाचो जर सन आशिल्लो, सूर्य आशिल्लो जाल्यार प्लॅनेट्स केदे व्हडले आसतले आशिल्ले, तांची स्केल कितें आसतली आनी बिचार कितले डिस्टन्साचेर ते आसतले हे आमी आज शिकपाचे प्रयत्न करतात. सो ही एक सोलार सिस्टम वॉक असो एक्टिविटी आसा. सोलार सिस्टम वॉक म्हणजे आमी मिरामार बिचाच्या एका सायडीन सन्स एस्टॅब्लिश केला, सनाचें चित्र. 30 इंचेसाचो सन आसा तो सूर्य आनी थंयच्यान 31 मिटर्स इल्लोसो मर्क्युरी, बॉल बियरिंग कसो मर्क्युरी आसता. थंयच्यान 59 मिटर्साचेर विनस आसता. सो अशें फुडें वचून 3.5 किलोमिटर तरी लागतली आमकां चलपाक बिचाचेर अंटील आमी 30 इंचेसाचो सन कंपेर केल्यार प्लुटो कडेन पावतले. प्लुटो कुस्कूट कसो आसतलो पूण तो सामको 3.5 किलोमिटर पयस इतलो सनाच्यान आसतलो. सो ही एक एक्टिविटींतल्यान भुरग्यांक कळटा की आमच्या अंतरिक्ष आमचो कसो आसा, विश्व आमचें कशें आसा, ब्रह्मांडाची रचना कशी आसा.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.